It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Silverado. The driver's door has the programmable memory seat, power locks, power windows with auto express windows, the child lock buttons, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, door storage down below, and the premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel we have the trailer brake, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and some lighting controls, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we have our audio controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we have the rear window slider, power sunroof buttons, and the programmable garage door opener. We've also got a place to store your sunglasses. Next is Chevrolet's infotainment center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera with guidance. A CD player, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, box lighting, park assist, lane departure alert, hill descent control, some USB ports and power plug-ins, no slip matting, and on top of the center console we have the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Silverado, we have LED headlamps, fog lights, black tow hooks, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood, 22-inch black aluminum wheels, window vents on the front windows, rear tinted windows, running boards down below, remote start, our canopy, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows and door storage. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has a power plug-in and 2 smaller storage compartments. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. And we're also able to raise these rear seats up for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.